This is the existing situation you are looking at. You can see how densely the structures are built up. Narrow road and little green space. You are looking at existing road network. You can see they are very narrow. You can find lots of dead end in the road network. You are looking at the existing park and playground in the area. They are in green color on the map. This is the Kacha structure you are looking at. You will find 227 Kacha structures in this area. Here is the semi-Paca structure. There are 928 structures you can find in this area. This is Paca structure floor 1. There are 304 Paca floor 1 structures in this area. You are seeing Paca structure floor 3. You can find 414 of them in the survey area. The map you are seeing in front of you is the digital elevation model, DEM of the Hazaribagh area. The high level is indicated in white color coming with a value of 12.919, and black considering the low level coming with a value of -6.63991. This in front of you is the existing land use map of Hazaribagh area. You can find a total of 13 different types of existing land use on the map. Try to zoom in, zoom out and rotate the map. Also, hover the mouse cursor on the land use. You are seeing structure by color analysis. Red is Kacha structure, yellow is semi-Paca and blue is Paca structure. You are looking at the proposed rooftop garden map. You can see all the structures in the project area are in white. Buildings with a rooftop garden are indicated in green. There are 486 structures proposed for the rooftop garden. You are looking at the two structure analysis. One is by floor and the other one is by structure type. Welcome to the Hazaribagh proposed plan. Total 4 types of buildings you can find here. The white color building is G14, 6,000 square feet. Light blue is G12, 8,000 square feet, deep blue G10 is 4,800 square feet, and pink is G8 commercial buildings.